Bringing in top talent and being surrounded by top talent, it drives me and motivates me to want to do more and be better and improve. And that's just part of the South Valley culture that I love.
One thing I love about Keller Williams South Valley as a new agent is the team aspect. A team has taken me on as a new agent and is training me and helping me get more business.
It ended up being a really successful year. When I came on, there were a lot of really successful people at the brokerage, and I kind of saw that and saw things that I wanted to pattern myself after, and was really able to follow their lead and do a lot of things that they were doing, and had a really fun and really good year.
I really enjoy the creative culture and the drive that's filled in every office that I walk through in here. These guys are fantastic. I love it.
Last year, I think we can all agree, was a pretty crazy year, and for me as a solo agent in my business, it was helpful to have everybody around me, the KW South Valley staff and all the agents there to help me and grow my business. And with that, I was able to double my business last year and take it head on, and I plan to do the same thing this year with all the help I'll get. So it was a great year, and this year will be just as good.
Well, honestly, I cannot say enough good things about Keller Williams South Valley. Based on the experience just last year alone, it started with a lot of fear, not knowing where the year is going to end up, but being surrounded by top producers, motivated people, friendly, kind, hardworking individuals, it changed our life. Not only did we double our production, but we were able to get a few rental properties for us. We were able to get a few family toys, and it was just awesome. And I can't, give enough credit to the people that I was surrounded with.
I really love the staff at Keller Williams. They're so supportive, and it was a great year to be here at Keller Williams with all the craziness that went on, because they were there to help you at every turn and do whatever they needed to do to help you be successful and to keep us positive and moving forward. I'm glad to be here.
From the beginning of the pandemic, as we kind of thought we were going to slow down and take a turn for the worst, we prepped for that, and I loved how all the staff here at Keller Williams was so ready and prepared to help us do that. And then the next thing you know, we're completely shifting the other way, and busier than we could have ever imagined that we would be. And the way that this pandemic impacted our market was just, I think, different than any of us would have ever expected. And they were here once again to help as we adapted to that shift. But again, like having the support of the staff and other agents here has just been incredible, and there's just no place I would rather have been.
Thank you so much for the amazing year that we ended up having. It was nuts going into March wondering, how is our year going to be affected? How are we going to do? How are we going to get through this? Nothing stopped and nothing slowed down, and you guys killed it. The fact that we closed over $1 billion worth of business in the middle of a pandemic is amazing. You guys are just the best of the best, and I'm so thrilled to be in business with all of you. Way to go.
2020 was an interesting year. It rocked a lot of people's worlds, but I think our office rocked 2020. We did over $1 billion in business, and a lot of our agents had the best years that they've ever had. It was awesome. Our agents are amazing, so grateful to be with them, and thank you to all the agents for just being able to associate with all of you.
You know, 2020 was pretty remarkable for the office and for the industry as a whole. All sorts of records were set. I know many agents had their best year ever, and I see that pursuing or continuing again in 2021. I'd like to thank all those agents that did their best this year and made records, and those that want to make the records this next year, let's get together and do it.
2020 was awesome. We had a lot of trials that we faced, but we really were able to overcome them and achieve some things we've never done before. So I'm really proud of all of our agents, our office, the staff. All of our vendors were a lot of help for us this year. We really needed all the help we could get, and I'm just really proud of what we were able to achieve. Congratulations, you guys.
2020, I came in later on in the year, but knowing the results that we made $1 billion even the last year, I can only imagine what 2021 is going to be like for us.
2020 was a great year. Keller Williams nailed it, had much success considering the circumstances with the pandemic. So much congratulations to the agents, the company, and the staff. It was a collaborative effort. 2021 is going to be just as great or better. I look forward to being part of the efforts going forward in 2021 for continued success with the company. Again, congrats to the staff, the company, and Keller Williams in general.
2020, if I had to sum it up in one word, would mean family. There was a pandemic, we had an earthquake, and yet we pulled together, and the results were something that we could never imagine, $1 billion. But I attribute that to each one of you for pulling together, supporting each other, and being here present at one of the hardest times in our state's history. I congratulate you on that. I know we can do it again. If we support each other, we all win. You will be amazed at the recruits that are coming in this year, that are joining the family, that are equally as enthusiastic and ready to have success. I know 2021 will even be better. Congratulations, guys.
Keller Williams 2020 was crazy. I was working from my kitchen table most of the year. It was really fun to be able to pivot so quickly, be able to talk you all through the earthquake that we had, and obviously being away from the office. We are so excited that we are starting a brand new year, but we really wanted to congratulate you for the year that you had in 2020. You guys hit $1 billion in closed volume. In our entire territory, there was $3 billion of real estate closed. So you guys did a third of that. You are freaking rock stars, and I am so grateful to be able to be a part of that with you. And I'm so excited for 2021. You are a tech-enabled agent. We are focused on the future of real estate, where the agent stays at the center of the transaction, and we are so glad that you are partners with us at Keller Williams South Valley.
Okay, so first of all, I just really need to congratulate every one of you. I tell you that, call it March 18th, 2020, if you were to tell me how our year would have ended up, I wouldn't have believed you because of how crazy things were, and trying to predict what our future would be as a company and as an office, and what we could do to help support you. And I just have to congratulate you for all that you have done and how hard you have worked. And I know that
some people had their best year ever, and I know some people didn't. Some people still had a difficult year, and I'm sensitive to that, and I just want you to take a minute and count all of your successes and blessings for what it is that you did accomplish last year. As an office, we sold over $1 billion in volume, which is by far the largest we've ever done. And that's something that is a direct result of you and your effort and all of the people that you were able to help and in turn get the benefit for your family. And I know it was so hard, and it's a year that's gonna go down in history as one of the hardest in our industry that we've ever had. I want you to know how thankful I am for you and everything that you've done and let us support you.